Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog, but welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. Cue the intro. I'm just finishing up getting ready. I just don't know what I want to wear. I'm actually vlogging today because I'm going to be going to an influencer event for Estee Lauder and it's in Austin. I just have no idea what I want to wear. Half of my clothes are literally in the wash right now. So put you down and figure something out. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Oh, I have to go all the way over here. For some reason he doesn't talk to me anymore. Okay, it's kind of cold. So it's 55. I kind of want to wear this new sweater that I got that I still haven't worn yet. It's kind of big. How do I feel about this? Maybe. And of course, the meagery. I could wear some cute black heel booties or some dirty old sneakers. Austin is like directly in between where my parents live and where Caitlin lives. I feel like I'm kind of just drifting in between the two places, mooching off everybody. I've been trying really hard to find an apartment in Dallas that I love. It's just for some reason I've been having like the worst luck ever. Haley is in Seattle. She's visiting her dad and I've been dying to go to Seattle. I really want to go to Seattle and then drive up to Vancouver and see some people. I'm gonna like force some girls to hang out with me because that works out for me so great all the time. Just kidding. One time I booked a flight to see my boyfriend and I know what you're thinking, Erin, you don't have a boyfriend. Exactly. I booked a flight to see my boyfriend and then we broke up and it was the most awkward few days of my entire life. Anyways, so I asked Haley how much longer she's going to be there, and honestly, like if she's going to be there until this weekend or something, I will buy a plane ticket and I will fly to Seattle. Okay, never mind. She literally just texted me this. I got back yesterday. That was a fun plan. You're beautiful. I hope you know that. Oh, it feels just absolutely amazing out here. You guys have no idea. This is like the perfect weather. I don't want to show up without any makeup on. I don't know exactly what we're going to be doing, but I don't want them to take my makeup off and do it. I'm going to attempt to back out of this driveway. I'm the worst at driving. I would really love to meet up with... Whoa. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I kind of want to meet up with someone and do something since I'm driving all the way there, but my rejection issues are telling me not to say anything to anyone. Okay, so I stopped by Walmart real quick because I needed another little cord for the audio in my car because mine was going like... But anyways, I saw that they had this. It is almond milk. It's made with almond milk. So we are going to try that. Because this must be new. How do you open this? Oh, no better sound in the world. That's really good, actually. It's not as sweet as the other ones, and I don't like drinking the other ones because they're really sweet. Now I'm gonna have some music. What should we listen to? Something Christmassy. Psych. I'm supposed to get there at 11:53, so depending on how slow I drive, I'm very slow. One time I got pulled over for driving too slow, then I'll probably be there right on time. 12 o'clock on the dot. I never cease to amaze myself. This is like a cute little astrology gift makeup bag. Really cute. Look at these stickers. There is a cleanser, face and neck cream, lipstick. Oh, that is gorge. A lip pencil, eye cream. Why is everyone trying to give me eye cream? Like they think I'm old now because I'm 25. And another one that is this color. I am going to take myself on a date. So she just put on her most gorgeous, glittery new lipstick. Hey girl, what do you say? You want to go to the movies and watch Frozen 2? Well, of course I do. Thank you for asking. Okay, what are the odds that I decide to take myself on a date and then I run across a street sign that's the place that the city that I was born in Michigan? Okay, how cute is this little area? So cute. I have to whisper so they don't take my camera. I've never been to the movies by myself before. I feel like loser. I just got a pizza and I got this milkshake. That guy's cool. Sorry, I didn't want to get kicked out and get my camera taken away. Anyways, I'm on a date by myself, but there's this really hot guy down the road, and he's by himself. I mean, at least he looks really hot. It's really dark in the That was seriously such a great movie. Oh my god. I cried so many times, but I am a crybaby. Now that we've seen a movie together, me and my date, we are going to go to Zilker Park because they're having their annual tree lighting ceremony. It's gonna be so romantic. Okay, first of all, I have no idea where I am or where I'm going, but it is such a nice day and everyone's out that way. There looks like there might be hills that you might get slow. It looks like fake snow or something. Do you hear that? It's Christmas music. Beignets, hot cocoa, kettle corn. Okay, so I don't know why I thought those were snow piles. They're tents. There's like a carnival over here. Piggyback rides over here. So many dogs to make friends with. Oh my god, hi, you're so cute. Okay, bye. I decided to just sit down and maybe if I'm... I knew one would come up to me if I sat down. Hi! 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 Hi, puppies! You're very cute. You want to join us? I'm gonna go back to the tree and get a hot chocolate because it's getting kind of chilly. People are taking their dogs away from me now. Because I probably look like that creep that showed up to a dog park without a dog. Yeah, there was marshmallows in there, but they melted. I was gonna get beignets too. There was like 7 in there, and I knew that I would definitely eat all of them. And I already had a milkshake earlier, so I need to chill. Day today. That was super cute. I'm freezing. I'm ready to go home. I'm about to drive home. My phone is about to die and I have no idea how to get home. So this should be interesting. If you're watching this, obviously that's a good sign for me. If you're not, RIP. But I hope you guys enjoyed the first day of Vlogmas. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down low before you go. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace. People are getting mad that I'm not saying later skaters, so later skaters.